And
All
then,
right.
okay, awesome. Hello,
चालेल?
Salil.
Hopefully
मला
you're
मराठी
not
येत
getting cut.
नाही.
एवढं मराठी येतं पण तुला.
No, I don't.
Welcome to probably one of the first episodes of BGP, Be Good People. And we are speaking to a very good people. We are speaking to a very good person. Her name is Chani. My name is Ankit. The attempt of this series is to have conversations with people who are doing something interesting. जिससे आप कुछ सीख सकते हो. There's some key takeaway for you. Now, there's context to this particular conversation. Number one, how long do we know each other, Chandi?
I just discovered that 2 years, like over 2 years, right? Easy?
CNC was 2024,
Yeah, easily.
है ना?
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
About 2 years. And we
2
met
years.
in
We
Bangalore.
met in Bangalore.
Absolutely.
Thanks to Shrivar, to be
Yeah.
honest. We have
Shout
to
out to
say
Shrivar.
that.
Yes. Thank you.
An event that I made it to last minute, and he let me in because of Twitter. So yeah, thanks to Shrivar.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And I'm fascinated by the work Chandi does because 2 years ago on her LinkedIn, I saw that she's doing something called Decoding Draupadi.
Yeah.
And I was just like, wait a second. Draupadi, Mahabharat, 22-year-old trying to intersect the thought of mythology, feminism, women empowerment, modern day women, profession stories. So I was just like, you know what? I want to listen, whatever you're doing. And that's pretty much what most of our meetings are. I am listening. She's enlightening me about the cool things that are happening from the lens of a 22-year-old who's now a 24-year-old.
Yeah.
But the context, congrats on becoming 24.
Yeah, I think apart from the fact that so I've always loved growing up because life only gets better with
Because
age.
it's optional, right?
Yes, no, I mean, yes, no, but you get what I mean. But 24, I think hit like a big number. But I think it's okay. We'll make the year count until I can continue to look 22, which I will do once I change my glasses. We'll be fine. So yeah.
So obviously, there's a lot of cool Gen Z energy that we're going to get. But the context for this particular conversation is last week, and I made a reel and a short about this. I was on a group of people at a friend's birthday, and there were about 7, 8 Gen Z folks, 22, 20, 24, 25-year-olds. And it's very interesting for me to get this vantage view of how Gen Z is thinking about their life, their career. Ariva, dhanyawad. Thank you
Hello.
so much.
Hello. How's the order going?
All
Very
good.
good. Thank you
Garma
so
garam.
much.
Thanks so much.
Need something else?
No, we're good for now.
We're good.
Thanks so
Thank
much.
you.
Let me know.
Yes, cheers. And the entire spectrum of these 20 somethings living in Thane, living in Mumbai, were building very traditional careers. And a couple of them were thinking of doing an MBA, MIM. And I was very shocked because you've lived in Bengaluru.
Yeah.
I live there.
Yeah.
And the energy of Bangalore, especially with Gen Z, even though they may be doing full time jobs,
Yeah.
they are building so many other different things, or they are radically learning, or they're trying to do new things,
Yeah.
experiment,
Yeah.
or interning with someone, or
Yeah,
apprenticing with someone.
Absolutely.
And here, this group of, God bless them, I love them, but I'm just using them as an example. This group of super privileged 20 somethings, जिनको घर का रेंट नहीं भरना है, माँ बाप को पैसे नहीं देने हैं, they were thinking very traditionally. And obviously, I started talking to Chandni about that hey, is this the norm? Or are you the exception? Of course, she is exceptional. So I thought I want to hear her views on how she, as a 24-year-old, looks at building her life, her career. And maybe there's lots of lessons. Most certainly, there are lots of learnings, lessons, insights for other Gen Z folks. But for the benefit of everyone, why don't you help us understand how a 24-year-old is practically a CEO at this age and is running an entire media empire business?
So,
Over to you.
Ankit is very kind. I'm typically not on the receiving end of something like this, very deliberately so, right? I believe that I go to people and ask them for feedback and criticism instead of good things. But Ankit is one of those exceptions who shows me the merit in the other way also. So I'll tell you, Ankit, I think context, and I'll speak to you because I'll be more comfortable that way. The context for this is that I think years ago, I realized that if you want to make something of your life, and that something could be anything, right? I'm not saying something is necessarily building a
I'm going to
startup.
pause the camera
Yeah.
and bring it here so we get a
Yes.
better angle of you
Okay,
talking.
cool. Yeah, okay.
Since you are going to be filling
But
us
you
in
should
with
be
what-
on the.
Nahi na,
no?
चालेल ना. And recording. Yes.
The
Huh.
inverse triangle. trying to be. This morning I was trying to meditate and I couldn't do it for more than 2.5 minutes. You'll not be proud to know that.
Why?
And they were asking me to think about
2.5
sunshine.
minutes, Chandni. That's a lot. Well done.
Dude, no, I didn't do it for 2.5
Every
minutes.
second counts.
Fair. Out of the 2.5 minutes, I must have focused on what was being said for 30 seconds. So that's the actual number. 2.5 minutes ka attempt tha.
It's all good.
Chalo.
So
Okay,
you were
coming
saying
back.
ki
Yeah. So the context, I'll give some background context, right? And I think I'm slowly beginning to realize that people make different choices in their life. I also meet some people who are making very safe choices when they don't need to, right? And तब मुझे feel होता है कि आप क्यों कर रहे हो ऐसा? But I'm learning to take a step back and say, okay, I'm gonna look at my life instead of somebody else's, and it's okay. They must have a reason to make the safe choice. But disclaimers aside, the first thing I learned was that you're responsible for your own life, and which means if I want a certain kind of it, I'll have to create it for myself, right? That was the first thing. And creating it for yourself starts somewhere, right? From creating it for myself, the second thing I learned was that you don't have to wait for life to happen to you. And there are two people who taught me this when I was 20, right? Back in 2021, Saurav and Pooja, I can name them. I think they told me that regardless of where you come from, and I don't come from that comfortable privilege life, right? So regardless of where you come from, if there is somebody who you can be useful to and they can cover your basics of Maslow's hierarchy, where you don't have to worry about kitchen expenses anymore.
Roti kapda makan Wi-Fi.
Roti kapda makan Wi-Fi. Exactly, right? Wi-Fi was the first thing I got when I moved to Bombay, even before a mattress. So exactly, roti kapda makan Wi-Fi मिल जाए आपको, तो आपका दिमाग खुल जाता है पहले तो, right? दिमाग खुल जाता है to think beyond the basic and say, okay, what are the possibilities for me now, right? So that didn't happen to me naturally, but it happened, whatever, some 4 years ago. And that, plus the fact that if I want an interesting life, I'll have to create it for myself. Those two thoughts merged, right? Which means
What did you study?
I studied journalism.
कहाँ पे?
चेन्नई में दिस कॉलेज कॉल्ड MOP. चेन्नई में 3-4 कॉलेज थे जो रेप्यूटेड है, उसमें से एक ही में एक मीडिया कोर्स था.
And you're from Bangalore.
I'm from Chennai. So
Achha,
I
you're
grew
from
up.
Chennai.
Yeah, so I grew up there. I was there for 21 years till 2022. I studied there. And even that choice, right? So back in 11th and 12th grade, I took commerce. And that was a decision made by people around me who said I need to play it safe so that I can get a job once I graduate, right? Which means I need to study math, I need to take a BBA course because that's a safe path for somebody who's not a prodigy child, right? Which I wasn't. When I took that, I realized कि एक तो मैं दुखी हूँ और जब मैं दुखी हूँ मैं किसी और को blame कर रही हूँ, right? I took math and science because of somebody else, math because of somebody else, and when I'm unhappy, I'm sore about it that, oh, you made me take the wrong decision. So when it came to choosing college, I said, hey, I'll pick something based on my choice, which means if it goes well, I'll have a lot of people to thank and myself to thank. If it doesn't go well, it's my problem. And at least I'll not be sore towards the world, right? So then people told me journalism doesn't make money. I figured so. I had seen that it doesn't. Yeah.
I want to chime in on journalism. I definitely want to chime in on journalism as someone who's been a journalist, not by vocational training, but by experience. And I've spent about 15-16 years in television journalism in the CNBC newsroom from 2005 to 2014, and then multiple different digital newsrooms. In 2026, if you're beginning off and thinking of doing journalism, unless you have a really solid financial cushion at home with family, privilege, access to do that, please don't choose journalism. This may be heartbreaking for you, but in India, most newsrooms, with literally an exception of a couple of them, nobody's doing journalism.
Yeah.
Everyone's only doing branded content. Everybody in India, every newsroom is only doing AFP, advertising funded programming or branded content.
Yeah.
When we were journalists during my era, AFP was 10 to 15% of the 24-hour programming.
It's a tiny number.
Right?
Yeah.
I mean, we started AFP in a way back in 2010s. Today, AFP, advertising funded programming or editorial interventions by political parties, by corporations, is majority of what happens.
Yeah.
So you decide. अगर आपको काम करना ही है branded content में, might as well work in a marketing agency or a
Yeah.
media agency
Yeah.
or on the client side or a
Absolutely.
PR firm. At least you won't be in the rules of, oh, मैं journalist हूँ. Because journalism comes with a lot of responsibility. You know, तो इंडिया में तो journalism गिने चुने outfits ही कर रहे हैं. You can research and read up about them later. But I just want to add that if you're thinking of doing journalism. Continue.
So at that time, I did not have this context, right? My worldview was limited, but inherently, you know what professions make safe, consistent money, what professions don't make anything, what professions may be a gamble, right? But I said, I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna figure it myself, which meant I had 3 years to decide where life is gonna take me, right? In those 3 years, I'll tell you what happened, which is when that switch from safety and the thinking slowly started, right? So in those 3 years, second year में COVID happened, which meant a
College
journalism
was online.
exactly, and a journalism course online.
कैसे करोगे?
आप हिंदू का आर्टिकल खोलकर उसको रीराइट कर रहे हो सबमिट करने के लिए,
अयो.
and that takes up hardly 30 minutes of your day and 4 hours of classes. Now I had a lot of free time. At that time, and I've not written too much about this in public, but at that time, my only motivation was to A, fill my time with something, and B, make some pocket money, right? I couldn't have taken anything from home at that time for multiple reasons. So I said, मुझे pocket money कमानी है, let's do something. So I was helping my mom tutor some kids at that time.
Oh wow.
And I told my mom that I'll take the load off you. I need some pocket money because मुझे तब pancakes चाहिए थे, मुझे drive पर जाना था, right when COVID was starting to sort of get over. वो किया, and then some opportunity to write content came in from college. Like, because हम core writing कर रहे थे, journalism कर रहे थे वो सब, and there was somebody who was starting an architecture business, and she said मुझे blog writing करवाना है. मैंने बोला I've not written professionally before. She said I'm not paying you money anyway. What's the risk? Let's do this. And I said sure. So I did that. I enjoyed it. It wasn't a learning experience in terms of the person I was working with, not the kindest, but I got to see the fact that I can write for such a use case. I then spent the next 1 year picking up all projects in content. Content में ही सब कुछ experiment, whatever format, copy, etc. etc. Right? And तब ना internet पर freelancing and internet money making thing had sort of just started to develop. So those were two things that I was exposed to on the internet. So I did that. 6-9 months into it, I got one project which was matching, the project value was matching the salary that a journalist in Chennai, when you start a first job as a reporter, was doing. And I
So
was like,
25,000.
yes, absolutely. It starts at 18,500 at that time. The maximum you get as a reporter is 24,500 if you're good at your
Got it.
interview, right? वो 2-3 महीना that consistent money sort of came in. Those are the exact
Through
numbers.
content writing.
Through content writing. Some were fairly boring SaaS blogs, some were internships. So I was doing a mix of the two. Internship में सीखने को मिलता था, freelance में पैसे कमाने को मिलता था, right? ये करने के बाद मुझे रियलाइज, अब पैसे तो आ रहे हैं और उस टाइम पे मुझे क्यों ही चाहिए थे ज्यादा पैसे. आई रियलाइज अब मुझे मजा नहीं आ रहा है, राइट? आई एम नॉट एबल टू ग्रो बियॉन्ड offering this content and learn something interesting about the world. So I said, okay, I made a list of some projects that I could have continued to do with a few hours, and I started to look for people I could work with. पहली बार 6 महीने के बाद मैं project और value और content नहीं देख रही थी, मैं इंसान ढूंढ रही थी.
You were still in campus.
I was still, abhi slowly now college started to open up, right? This was July 2021. I came across Saurabh and Akshay, and I've now known them since July 2021, and they at that time ran a podcasting company together, and they were starting a content fellowship.
Oh wow.
And तब ना fellowship नया word था,
Yeah.
अब तो हर जगह है, but तब internship के लिए fellowship का बोल रहा है. So I applied for that. Their idea was they were gonna pick 10 students from everybody who applied and spend 6 weeks with them talking about writing. So Saurabh was gonna do that, spend 6 weeks with you talking about writing, and at the end of it, you also do some content for that podcasting business, right? Paid, interesting people, etc. मैंने interview दिया, अक्षय को दिया पहले. So Akshay is the first person I would thank for, I think, seeing something in me then and sort of having me as part of that cohort. And then I met Saurabh and I spent 6 weeks और मैंने बहुत
Was
pardon
this
my
virtually? Was this in
this
person?
was virtually, right? So people from all
Because
cities.
Saurabh's based in Mumbai,
Yes,
you were in Chennai.
exactly. I was in Chennai and all the other folks also where we had somebody from Delhi, we had somebody from wherever else. And I stayed in touch with Saurabh because what I got to learn in those 6 weeks was 100x more than what I'd gotten to learn in the last 1 year. And ये मैथ तो add up हो गया तो मैंने बोला बढ़िया है करते हैं ये. So I stayed in touch with Saurabh. At that time, he was C4E had pivoted from doing events to marketing, communication, design, and multiple things for various brands. So I did some projects with Saurabh. Saurabh at that time in Chennai asked me कि तुझे life में करना क्या है? And I told him I don't know. आज मुझे लिखना आता है. I'm willing to be very open to experiment. So I started picking all things he threw at me. I remember the first ever gig outside of the writing cohort he told me was he wanted to write. He was writing a book at that time and he said I need a writing assistant. And I said okay. I had never written a book. I had no clue about it. Then it was for a blog. Then it was for multiple things, right? वो सब किया मैंने उस टाइम पे सो essentially 2022 around that time is when I realized that okay now I can optimize for growth over basic money, right? And this got reaffirmed when the first 6 months that I spent with a Saurabh and a Pooja showed me, and you will interrupt me to switch gears to whatever, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Jan 2022.
So Jan 2022 में they said देख यार हम लोग currently we do creative services, eventually we may do whatever, but we need people to be part of our life and not team, right? So Saurabh told me very clearly that if you want to be the best writer, I'm not the place. If you want to be the best marketer, I'm not going to do that. I'm building this village and system and business and we'll see where it goes. Today we do creative services and you want to be part of our lives, we'll do this together. तो तब मैंने ये किया राइट तो विच मीन्स मैं 9 महीने आई वाज 9 months away from graduating and I have not done a corporate job today. So I don't know, like Nassim Taleb says, that the poison for a man is sugar and salary. I don't know what that's like, right?
Wait, I don't know who Nassim Taleb is.
This guy, so you have to discover Nassim Taleb to know. But anyways, this guy says that.
The writer?
Yes and no. Yes, he is.
Or
he
he's
is.
some Instagram philosopher?
No. He's also a writer.
We're recording something, I'll catch you.
Yes. No, he's not an Instagram
Being a local Malay, you bump
philosophist.
into friends,
yes,
obviously.
I know. It's not an Instagram philosophist. He's a writer and he says that the poison for a man is sugar and salary.
And by man, obviously, don't
Yeah,
or
I
obsessed
know.
about the
Yes,
gender.
please.
A human.
Yes, a human, right? In his words, it's man, but yes, a human. For a human, sugar and salary, दो poison है. तो which means मैंने corporate taste ही नहीं किया है, which could be my bias, right? Like I said, I don't know what that safe path could feel and look like. And so that means simple growth, disproportionate
I
growth.
want to understand the conversation between you and your parents,
Yeah.
you and your mom,
Yeah,
when you were graduating.
yeah,
See, because for a lot of us, middle class,
yeah,
Mumbaikars,
Yeah.
Bangaloreans, Chennaiites, our socio-cultural reality is very
It is.
different.
It is
We are not America.
yes.
Mentally, emotionally, we might think we are
Yeah.
Americans, which is why
Absolutely.
Indians can't say avatar and we say avatar.
That's
Right?
route and
Shamat.
route. Shamat.
But a misplaced, lost identity is another subject for another video. But parents क्या कहेंगे?
Yeah.
उनका seal and stamp of approval.
Yes.
लोग क्या कहेंगे?
Yes.
Leads one too many bright,
Yeah.
amazing people down a path of utmost mediocrity, utmost safety, utmost risk-averse behavior.
Yeah.
तो आपका कैसा conversation था? And if somebody is looking to navigate
Yeah.
that conversation with their parents, आने वाले दिनों में, सालों में, any tips for them? Or it's just like, it's lottery है.
नहीं,
If you get bad parents, too bad, yeah.
There
like,
are a
deal with it.
couple of things you can do. I'll give a disclaimer before I go there. I didn't have to do a lot of these things because my mother is an exception. I am not. My mother is an exception of being the biggest cheerleader of my life, where she tells me कि तू जा उड़ मैं खड़ी हूँ.
So cute.
Right? I did not have to convince her beyond a certain level, which is, I know, not the reality for a lot of people. I meet a lot of people who have to do that.
Yeah.
And I have learned a couple of things. A, understand where your parents' insecurity comes from, right? Maybe they lived a safe life, which means they can't see and fathom the fact that an unsafe path could also be okay and safe for you. So, पहले आप वो source find out करो. Is it the fact they're worried you'll not make money? Are they worried लोग क्या कहेंगे? Is there a combination of the two? पहले वो identify करो आप.
And for that, you'll have to speak to them and
Yes,
listen.
yes. All of this breaks if you can't communicate with them. If you can't sit down with them and do that. I will not talk about those edge cases where both the child and the parent are not reasonable. I do not know what to do in that case. Right? For me, communication has been the way
Find
to.
a mediator. In that
Yes.
case, find a neutral
Yeah.
third party. Can be
Yeah.
a sensible mama, chacha,
Yeah.
or an actual counselor, therapist.
Correct.
If you're struggling to establish baseline communication,
Yes.
always, right? No matter the situation, find a third neutral party who can play the intermediary.
Yeah, right. So now considering that the baseline is that you can sit across them and speak, and you will listen and they will listen. The way to do it is to A, identify the source, which will come from talking, like you said. And then B, I think what you need to chat with them about is trust, right? Can they give you some time frame to trust you to go play an experiment and come back?
Did you articulate it that way?
Back then, no. This is in hindsight,
Understood.
right? And this is from a close experience. So I've seen one of my friends who comes from a high authority, high affection household, right? I come from a low authority, high affection household, which
I
means
just love how Gen Z drops these clinical psychology terms as if everybody is just like an expert in these things. I'm a millennial, I have no idea what high authority, high whatever means, but I appreciate that she knows it, and I appreciate that some of you might know it.
my friend studied psychology. She introduced me to it, and she says there are 4 parenting styles. I'm actually curious to know which one you're in the bucket of. Okay, so she says it's a 2x2 matrix: high authority, high affection; high authority, low affection; low authority, low affection, which is obviously not the ideal case; and then there is high affection, low authority.
I come from the school of thought of not compartmentalizing human beings into quadrants, not giving them labels, not classifying them as A, B, C, and D. You can call me old school, ape like, unstructured, uncivilized, and I'm totally okay with that. But I also feel ये बहुत बीमारी है हम लोगों को हर चीज के लिए एक फ्रेमवर्क और एक
Fair.
लेबल और एक
Yeah.
structure. I understand how that might help some people navigate an unstructured, volatile world,
Yeah.
but I thrive in unstructured and
Yeah.
volatile.
Yeah.
So for me, labels, thoda sa.
Fair.
But if it helps,
Yeah. So
Good
okay,
for you.
we'll come back to unstructured, right? So A, trust I think becomes you need to
so speak to your parents,
Yes.
establish trust for a certain
Yes,
amount of time.
exactly.
I also talk about this. Think of your life as a series of experiments. And an experiment, whether you're in science lab, whether you're in computer lab, an experiment has certain set variables, but an experiment is always time bound.
yeah.
Always. If it's not time bound, तो फिर मतलब क्या ही है ना?
Yeah.
So, 6 महीने, 12 months, 18, 24 months, a realistic timeline. See, you can't expect to effect change in anything less than 1 year.
Yeah.
You won't even understand the baseline parameters of the experiment in under a year.
Exactly.
So you're going to have to navigate and bargain and negotiate. मुझे 1 साल दे दो, मुझे 2 साल दे दीजिए. After that, I will try potentially the safe path. Let's come back to you and your conversation with your parents.
Yeah.
You joining Saurabh, you
Yeah.
shifting from Chennai to Mumbai, Maya Nagari,
Yes.
Sin City.
Yes.
Because there's so much like,
Yeah.
you know, preconceived notions about the city.
Yeah.
And was there any version of your parents saying, "Oh my God, Mumbai जा रही है, लड़की बिगड़ जाएगी," or something like that? You
So,
know, you
yeah,
know how all of that plays out.
Absolutely. So my mom's a single mom. And her worry.
Full power to
Yes.
single mothers and
Yeah.
single parents.
Yeah, right. And so my mom,
I'm sorry, it's even more difficult to be the kind of person that she's describing her mom to be because she's
Yeah,
a single mother.
exactly.
Like as you know, as a couple, when you're mother and father, they can play good cop, bad cop.
yes,
But here,
you
the
had to play all
quantum
cops.
of responsibility
Yeah,
just doubles or quadruples for a single parent.
absolutely.
Then for her to choose this
Yeah.
Ja Chandni Ja Jile apni
हाँ.
zindagi is mind blowing. Kudos to her.
And she evolved into that, right?
Beautiful.
It didn't start there, which means also a single mum, in my case, was less risk, a lesser of a risk taker, right? Because
course.
she is more worried about, again, it's her responsibility only, right? And the world may not be the kindest towards. I mean, I may not have a great life because of some other reason, but it's gonna be the mother who's blamed. So she's evolved into it. And that evolution is proof that that trust works. Once your parents start seeing you do well, and well means in multiple places. आपके पेरेंट को क्या देखना है? उनको देखना है आप अच्छा खाना खा पा रहे हो, आप पैसे कमा के खुद से जी पा रहे हो, right? And you're doing something meaningful. Typically, these are three things. There must be a fourth, fifth, and you'll be able to know that better, right? If they're seeing that happen consistently over time, they start to believe that maybe my child has made the right decision, and they then warm up to the idea of you doing more things like that.
A simple part of the recipe of trust building is before you expect trust to be given to you, first you have to show up to establish trust. You have to show agency. You have to show कि आप अपने बुद्धि से, अपने दिमाग से कुछ सोचने की क्षमता रखते हैं. Parents are not looking for success or guaranteed success. As a father, I am looking for intention. Intention is met with trust. I'm not expecting you as a 20-something-year-old or any of you to have your life sorted out. But do you have a direction, a hint of what you're curious about? I keep talking about this in my KIT personal branding workshops. The entire attempt of everything I do, whether it's Weekenders, whether it's Antar, whether it is KIT, is first to help you identify, is your default operating system fear? And if your default OS is fear, what concrete steps can be taken to switch it up to curiosity OS?
We should talk about this.
Because
Very
if
good.
your OS is curiosity, it does not make the fear go away. But it's a perspective shift. It's only a mental hack. You're placing curiosity ahead of the fear. If your constant question is, oh my God, what's the worst that will happen? My constant question is, what's the best that will happen? Or
Yeah.
what is the learning I'm going to get out
Yeah.
of this?
Yeah.
So if you switch that, and if your parent sees this, like she said, parents want to see intention. Parents want to see independence. पैसे बने ना बने, पैसे डूबे, उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Millennials ने इतना कमा के तो इतना रखा है ही that Gen Z or Gen Alpha, they won't starve. They
Yeah.
won't be shelterless or roofless. They won't die from starvation.
Yeah.
That much millennial and Gen X parents have established. So when you have so much of a safety net and a cushion, then are you intentional or are you lost in your feed for 4 hours on Instagram?
Yeah, and if this goes out in the evening, then it's like an attack on all these people lost. No, absolutely. One of the things I want to do this year is shift whatever little fear OS is left. Not little, a lot is left
वो
in me
जिंदगी भर
to.
रहता है चांदनी.
Yeah,
and,
but
and for
switch
good
it to-
reason, by the way, for good reason. Biologically, evolutionary biology suggests and talks about this. We human beings are not that old a species.
Yeah,
Till very recently, a famine will kill you, a war will kill you, plague will kill you, a random diarrhea will kill you. Before that, actual like predators in the jungle or forest or the savannah would kill you. All of this is very
Yeah.
new and very fresh in our brains
Yeah.
in terms of biological coding. So fear keeps you alive. Fear is integral for your survival.
yeah, yeah.
But today we live in an air-conditioned high-rise apartment.
Yeah.
Today we can 10-minute Zepto, Blinkit,
Yeah.
Swiggy,
Yeah.
Instamart, everything.
Yeah.
Today we take Ola, Uber from everywhere to everywhere. We are no longer in the precarious predator environments that they used to be.
Yeah, fair. Absolutely.
Then we just have to take a deep breath and tell yourself, I Shapat, I'm not in the jungle. There is no big lion or tiger coming for my life. All the lions and tigers today are of your own making and of your own choosing.
Yeah.
So fear is very critical. It doesn't mean that you wash away fear. Don't be an idiot.
Yeah.
But navigating is important.
Yeah, yeah, and I think a task
you agree?
for sure. No, I agree. I think I'll not quote this very right, but there is from the Mahabharata, right? डर आपको सचेत रखता है, and which is what. So
And to quote another epic Mountain Dew's ad, डर के आगे जीत है.
yeah, right. So
Mahabharata,
I
Mountain
think
Dew, pretty much the same thing.
thing. So I think fear I'm okay with till it doesn't lead to inaction, which is my simple metric. So
I want to
जब
bring the
तक-
camera closer
yeah,
to ask you a personal and an important question.
yeah.
What are you afraid of?
No, I'm not, oh wow, okay.
Switch up here, na. There's this gentleman who's getting free footage in our.
Free footage.
What are you afraid of, and how do you navigate that fear? I'm pretty sure as a 24-year-old, you're afraid of
Yeah,
something.
yeah, absolutely. This year's word for me is fearlessness.
क्या
at
बात
the-
कर रही है?
Yes, and at the end of this year, I'll either realize it is the word of the year because I was able to live fearlessly, or I was not. Either ways, it'll be the word of the year. I'm afraid of multiple things. I'm afraid of disappointing people who put their trust in me, which is a very okay. Wait, I'm gonna try something. I'm not gonna disclaimer each fear. Okay, let's just talk about what I'm afraid of. I fear disappointing people who put their trust in me. I fear not living a deliberate life, not living my reality, right? There are some things I want to do. I want to be able to be the person who turns them into action. Living in my head is my fear. I don't want to do that. I'm afraid of not experiencing everything that I can experience. Right? There is so much that the world has to offer. There is so much to learn. I think it'll be a sad thing if I let it be and I just stay and I don't have that happen. Yeah, I think these three things. My greatest fear would be to, yeah, I think these
Very
three things.
interesting. Thank you
Yeah.
for sharing. That's very brave of you. But I'm also curious
Yeah.
that none of the fears that you've said,
Yeah,
not even one of them is like, I won't have enough money, or I won't be successful in life, or any of those conventional
Yeah.
things, right? Which supposedly we think Gen Z spends a lot of
Yeah.
time talk about
Yeah.
or think about. A lot of it is inward facing. A lot of it is self-reflecting.
Yeah.
A lot of it is antarmukhi, not so much bahirmukhi, which is beautiful. That itself is a huge step up. You're not afraid कि आपके पास iPhone 18 Pro Max नहीं होगा,
हाँ, नहीं.
आप कोआचेला में नहीं दिखोगे, आपके Instagram पे कितने followers हैं, आपके Get Ready With Me videos viral हुए
Oh,
हैं या
yeah,
नहीं
no.
हुए हैं.
Yeah.
Social validation and currency is not something
No.
on your mind.
No.
How do you get to a stage like this? Because a lot of people end up doing things. I heard a shocking statistic that in India, Gen Z is taking loans to go attend Coachella. Gen Z is taking loans to go on vacations to show on Instagram जिसकी उनकी औकात नहीं है. They can't afford that.
Yeah.
महीने की सैलरी 25, 30, 40, 50 हजार रुपए है, लेकिन लाखों रुपए के वेकेशंस क्रेडिट कार्ड मैक्स आउट करके और पर्सनल लोन्स लेके किए जा रहे हैं. BNPL, buy now pay later, is putting Gen Z into a debt trap at 23, 24, 25, which we millennials can't even imagine.
Yeah.
Because we grew up with the diktat कि क्रेडिट का पैसा लेना पाप है.
Correct.
आप सिर्फ मेडिकल या घर के लिए लोन लेते थे,
Correct.
और यहाँ पे टुमारोलैंड और कोचेला के लिए लोन लिए जा रहे हैं. I'm just like, मैं कौन से प्लेनेट पे हूँ?
Yeah.
Is this some parallel reality?
Um.
All of these are true, or I'm making stuff
No,
up?
I know what you mean. And there are two things that come to mind when I hear this, right? Or when I think about this. I read a tweet yesterday that said, chase your curiosities. And then right below it, it said, but also take a minute to understand where this curiosity comes from. Which ones are internal? Which ones are external influence? Which ones are performatory? And which ones are to prove a point or have come
Social
from,
validation.
right? Social validation. That's one. Very interesting. I think I've only read Oh Chase Your Curiosity, but nobody actually pauses
Conditions
to think.
apply.
Right? Exactly. Conditions apply. The second thing is mimetic theory. Like Rene Girard says, you don't buy the Mercedes, you buy
The
the
feeling.
persona it gives you to own a Mercedes, right? You buy the iPhone because of what it makes you feel and what it tells other people about you when you're walking around, right? Mimetic theory. So I'm also a victim of mimetic theory in some cases.
We all are. I mean, we're
we
human
all
beings.
are,
We're monkeys.
right?
Monkey see, monkey do.
Exactly, right? I think pickle as a sport, and you can confirm or deny, right? It started as that. I mean, maybe in Bangalore, I have this bias that I don't. I mean, it must have been that, right? Okay, this school person is playing pickle. Even I want to go try it out, which is okay. We're all. I mean, it's a very human thing for us to do. Um, I don't understand, and that's my honest answer, Ankit. मुझे नहीं समझ आता कि आप इस mimetic theory के extreme पे कैसे खेलते हो, which is to say that I will risk my life and maybe they're not risking their life. I don't know. Take a loan to, let's say, visit a concert. Um, I'm unable to relate to that, right? But
You don't feel the need to do that?
no, I don't.
Why? Because you are so confident in your image or perception of yourself कि तुम्हें अगर Instagram पे वो तुम नहीं दिखाओगी, you're totally comfortable with that.
Like-
But do you accept and understand, because you might have friends like this,
Yeah.
that this is a strong motivator for Gen Z?
It is a strong motivator.
कि visually social media पे दिखाना है.
Absolutely.
So how do you build a fortress of a mind which does not get triggered by these base low frequency urges?
Ankit, I have a very personal, funny answer to this.
And by the way, karo,
Yeah.
sab karo.
Absolutely. Oh, yes, please.
It's
karo.
your age, please do it. Like, there's no judgment here.
Yeah. Same. I mean,
We're
yeah.
only talking about unhealthy obsession to social
Absolutely.
validation.
Absolutely. Do I think that today, okay, for instance, I'm not very active on my Instagram. Not because I don't want to be. I would love to live a more public life and showcase all the interesting things that are happening, but I'm not. Which means today, if you met me versus when you saw my Instagram, you may not be able to see what you get when you sort of meet me in person, right? तो मैं भी सोचती हूँ कभी कभी कि I'm missing out on, let's say, meeting more interesting people because I'm unable to take this persona to the internet, which is a good medium, which is one way to think about it. In my definition of healthy, that's healthy, right? The reason I'm on LinkedIn, the reason I attempt to post content, the reason we do all of this is because it's an attempt to meet more people
Correct.
and experience all of that, right?
Correct.
That is my version of why I want to be on the internet. B, मेरे पास नहीं था ये social validation chase करने का privilege, right? In the sense that my safety net didn't come from generational wealth. It would have been great to have that. Right? It didn't come from my millennial mother earning money and keeping that. My safety net came from Saurabh and Pooja, right? So now, I think after having existed for 4 years in this space, वो होता है ना, वो money नहीं है अंदर से. मतलब मुझे, it'll not give me joy. I have found joy in the work I do. I have found joy in waking up tomorrow and realizing that I could pick any idea and take that from 0 to 1 and I can choose to. तो मुझे तो कोचेला की अर्ज ही नहीं आई, तो इसलिए मैं रिलेट नहीं कर पा रही, right? And I love concerts. I'm considering visiting John Mayer, and obviously I'm debating that कि पूरा दिन का वो है. I may be able to have more fun playing pickle here and getting some work done. But मुझे भी बहुत पसंद है concert, and I will go to these concerts at some point, or when an opportunity strikes, right? But आज I've been shown the value of spending my 20s, which is, I believe, the age where you have highest energy. Thanks to longevity, you will have even your 30s, 40s, and somebody like you who I think is super indexed on health, you'll have high energy at 40 also. आपके पास सबसे ज़्यादा high energy है, सबसे कम responsibilities है, and I speak from privilege, right? सबसे कम responsibility है, और अब तो सबसे ज़्यादा opportunity है. ये 3 का marriage कब मिलेगा आपको? Like, I refuse to spend that at a Tomorrowland. Like, and that's me. I have zero judgment. One of my friends, um, 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 one of my friends always tells me you need to chill more, and you know, I've now stopped debating with that friend because a अगर मैं जो करती हूँ उसके एंड ऑफ द डे पे मुझे चिल्ड फील हो रहा है तो मैंने तो चिल कर लिया ना राइट इट मे नॉट बी द कन्वेंशनल डेफिनेशन ऑफ चिलिंग बट माई संडे मॉर्निंग इज बेस्ट स्पेंट राइटिंग about how my month has been and I'm okay to not explain that to anybody, right?
Understood. You
That-
used a different phrase. Sorry to interrupt you.
Please
You
do.
used a beautiful phrase or a word which, again, I use a lot, which is joy. You're feeling joy in doing the work. You're feeling joy in taking an idea from 0 to 1. कितने ऐसे लोग हैं बेचारे जो फुल टाइम जॉब करते हैं 12, 14, 16 घंटे काम कर रहे हैं घर आके भी स्लैक और ईमेल रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहे हैं बट जॉय का अंश एक्सपीरियंस नहीं कर पा रहे हैं देयर इज नॉट एन आयोटा ऑफ जॉय हाउ टू चूज वर्क दैट ब्रिंग्स यू जॉय बिकॉज इट्स द सिंगुलर बिगेस्ट चंक ऑफ योर लाइफ
Yeah,
आपके जीवन के सबसे बड़े
yes.
बकेट में अगर जॉय नहीं है हाउ डू यू एक्सपेक्ट टू लिव अ जॉयफुल लाइफ
Understand your life stage, which is to say that it's a privilege to be able to do what you find joy in,
और टू इवन चेस जॉय
or to even chase joy.
अगर मजबूरियां हैं तो जॉय गोज आउट ऑफ द विंडो पहले
Exactly.
रोटी कपड़ा मकान
It
वायफाई
does, absolutely, right? And उस case में there is this thing that sort of I often talk about, which is the sex and cash theory, right? Hugh MacLeod talks about this, wherein he gives the example of in America how the people who want to make it in Hollywood, right, in films, they spend the evenings at bars and cafes as a server, waiter, etc. Because that is the place where they get to make their money to survive and go for auditions, which is not paying them money. So वो उनका cash है, right? And उनका sex is that they'll get to go for auditions. So that's the work that they get joy in. They want to make it to that sort of place. So sex and cash theory. Today, there may be people where in life you have to do some things that are for the cash, for the money. And then spend your time doing the things that are equivalent to sex, which is where you find joy in. They use the metaphor of sex and cash, right? And the nuance there is that try to find cash from a place that adds to your sex also. So for instance, in this case, these servers, these waiters, they go to a cafe where film walas hang out, for example, right? Because more chances of being discovered. So today, if I had to make some money and मुझे अपना AI product for example बनाना, let's take a case, बैंगलोर में कोई होगा जिनको अपना startup शुरू करना है, they know that they have an edge in tech, for instance, right? अब फिर जाके नौकरी ऐसी जगह पर करो which is at the forefront of tech and AI.
आंसर
Be there, right? Because each thing you do in that 9 to 5
आंसर
acts as a base for your 5 to 9, which is one way to look at this. So, I would say कि पहले अपना जगह समझो. Do you have that safety net? Do you have 6 months or 1 year? Maybe you have play money for 6 months. Use those 6 months to then sort of set the base for 12 months. And then if you are having to do a job, work harder if you need to. All of this comes from privilege. I am aware of that. I know that the market is bad. I know each day I'm on like 100 WhatsApp groups where people say कि मुझे response नहीं आया, मुझे free में assignment करा गया. I know, right? But can you do a few basic things? And Ankit, you'll agree to this. Build your personal brand, right? Be on the internet. Write into 10 people every day at a minimum. Find a place where you can work that is going to be a stepping stone for your next thing. Make the money there. And then you can do that, right? वो 1 घंटा आप दिन से निकाल के अगर ये चीज कर लोगे ना, which is what you said, 4 घंटे इंस्टाग्राम ना देखे, मैं भी देखती हूँ रील्स, ऑब्वियसली मतलब आई एम नॉट, आई हैव माय डेज, राइट? आप वो करोगे तो आई थिंक and I don't know if this works for everybody else. This is what I have seen, and maybe you can tell me what you've seen happen for others, right? But I think that's one way to
most certainly
get out of
people who are engineering for joy for learning for networking for connections are people who are I keep coming back to माँ बाप को क्या देखना है बच्चों में intention.
yeah.
If you're intentional about something, like we met this morning, the first thing Chani says is, मुझे इस साल 25 पुल-अप्स करने हैं. First thing. And I'm like, okay, 25 is amazing, but also maybe from 0 to 25, well done.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe don't set a target which is so out there. Start with 5.
Yeah.
Intention matters. अब साल के अंत तक चांदनी कितने पुशअप करती है ये तो हम बाद में देखेंगे by the end of the year, but
We'll report back.
intention matters. इंटेंशन के लिए स्पेस बनाना पड़ता है खुद के साथ बैठ के बिना डिवाइस बिना स्क्रीन बिना नोटिफिकेशन बिना फीड आपके अंदर का एल्गोरिदम क्या कह रहा है यू हैव एन इनर एल्गोरिदम
Yeah.
आर यू एबल टू लिसन टू इट
Yeah.
so you need to create space you need to create pockets of complete sensory deprivation
Guilty.
और
Yeah.
सेंसरी आइसोलेशन सेंसेस कॉन्स्टेंटली ऑलवेज ऑन है कैसे सेंसरी डिप्रिवेशन 1 मिनट 2 मिनट 2.5 मिनट बैठिए आज सुबह मेडिटेशन के लिए 2.5 minutes इज फैंटास्टिक फ्रॉम जीरो है कि नहीं इट्स
Yeah.
सो मच मोर सो सेंसरी डिप्रिवेशन अगर आप खुद के लिए कर रहे हो ऑटोमेटिकली फाइट फ्लाइट फ्रीज जो आपकी सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम है सेटल डाउन हो जाती है सो आप जो कॉन्स्टेंटली फायर फाइटिंग मोड में हो वहां से योर माइंड इज लाइक ओके no more danger, all is well. Now let's start thinking.
Yeah. Yeah. I met someone for dinner last night. She played pickle with us, and then I met her. And she told me that, so she has got a job in a content role at a B2B company. And the way she plans to spend her 5 to 9 is to write scripts and work in content outside of B2B, right? Which is the space she wants to experiment with. I'm not talking about success here. I'm not talking about making the same money that you're making at the job. But simply that this person is talking to everybody around her, right? To just find opportunities. And she told me this thing. She's like, मुझे पैसे नहीं चाहिए उस script लिखने से necessarily. That's not what she's chasing out of that, right? What she's chasing is to learn and grow in that space. I think baseline is that. And anybody who's at a job but wants to get out and do something else. And Ankit, you're the biggest advocate for this. You will first build your personal brand. I want to do more effort on that, right? Because today, if you're young and you want to be doing these things, that is going to be the advantage in it.
You have to put yourself out
Yes, you have to. मतलब क्या फर्क पड़ता है अगर आप अपने कमरे में बैठकर बढ़िया चीजें बना रहे हो आप किसके लिए बना रहे हो right like Paul Graham says and this was my understanding of wealth I read Hackers and Painters about 3 years ago. I should reread it again. And the way wealth is simply the value you add to the world, right? When you increase the money somebody else makes, when you increase the value either by giving them time or money, that is essentially how it happens. So आपको कम्युनिकेट करना पड़ेगा ना ये आप अकेले घर पर बैठकर कैसे कर पाओगे So I think that yeah.
how to not build a practice of constantly judging yourself and beating yourself down.
I'm figuring it out. I don't have an answer.
I
Do
know.
you have an answer for me?
No, of course, it's an exploration, a lifelong journey and exploration.
Yeah.
But I feel a lot of people doing that,
Yeah.
and I don't know if I'm wrong in saying this, but I think women tend to do this a lot more harshly to
Yeah.
themselves.
Yeah.
Probably men do as well,
Yeah.
but it's not a habit that helps you at all.
Doesn't. It doesn't help. If you. Sort of tells this to me. He's like, if you can't respect yourself
Be kind to yourself.
and demand that respect from the world, दुनिया नहीं करेगी. And ये ना बचपन में बोलते थे, if you can't love yourself, nobody will. I think it's true, man. Like, I really think it's true. I didn't think all my life. I thought it was a whatever cringe thing to say. But A, that's true. B, go back. Anytime I'm in doubt, I go back to what Naval says or what I've learned that you are responsible for your own life. क्या फायदा
So
मैं खुद को
this is
बोलती
the
हूँ ये.
difference in Gen Z and millennials. I love it because this is not a Gen Z versus millennial channel, guys.
Yes,
I love
it's
Gen Z.
a-
I predominantly hang out with Gen Z.
I know.
She's quoting Naval, who basically is quoting the greats. Gautam Buddha said the same words 2,500 years ago in Pali language, and he says, "Attahi attano natho." which is you are your only master. Anything the Nawals of the world are saying is recycled wisdom from 3,000, 2,000-year-old ancient India. This channel is a simp for AI. AI is ancient India, the only AI that matters to me.
Oh.
So this channel is 100% going to be representing ancient Indian wisdom every chance it gets. But
Yes.
yeah, same thing.
So now, yes, same thing, right? अगर आप responsible हो, and also by the way, ये मैं practice कर रही हूँ, ये मैं इसलिए खुद को कह रही हूँ. This note, what question you asked me, I'm far from being somebody who doesn't judge myself. But I've learned 3 things about it. A, ये thinking का कोई फायदा नहीं है. Unless it's leading to action, it serves no purpose.
Beautiful.
1, that's what I tell myself. I'm still telling myself. 2, if you are responsible, then who's coming to save you? Nobody. You have to build that confidence in yourself. 3, I have a personal goal of moving my locus of control internal, because only then A, the social validation goes away. B, I will be able to. I'll also quote Sam Altman here. Sam Altman has written a blog post on how to be successful. One of the points is that you need to have a mental amount of self-belief in yourself. And this is a common pattern across
Anyone who's made it.
anyone who's made it. And made it by multiple definitions, right? वो delusional level तक self-belief है उनके पास. वो. तो ये मेरे 3 notes है to myself, which I try to remind myself of every day. If I had a pin board or something more tattooed on me, I tattoo this. तो अगर वो रेसिपी है of too much self belief, तो करो self belief, नहीं तो कैसे होगा? That's what I tell myself. And if somebody has a different suggestion on how to create this like skip this self doubt, please tell me. I don't know.
Share in the comments. We'd love to hear what
yes,
you think.
please.
But we're going to,
Yeah.
I want to keep chatting, but I obviously also have to go pick up my daughter.
For
I just realized for a yummy
lunch.
daddies and daughters lunch.
Yes.
But if you want to ask me anything, we can do that, or we can just close.
You know how old your daughter is, and if you're okay to talk
Mhm.
about the age,
Mhm.
what are you going to tell her today,
Mhm.
right? As one word, one piece of advice, and what are you going to tell her in her 20s?
I mean, I'm not going to tell my teenage daughter anything different than what I share in all of my workshops. Curiosity OS.
Yeah.
That's it. Just stay curious, be curious, feed that curiosity. Staying curious is the greatest act of rebellion and revolution in a time where everybody, every system, every power, every corporation wants you to be a zombie.
That's fair. Yeah.
They want you to be alone because you, individual, alone, single unit, are a great consumer.
Ah, fair. That makes sense.
If you're curious, what happens, Chandni? You attract
the
a
world.
village of curious people around you.
Yeah.
A village is the strongest possible unit.
Yeah.
A village
Yeah.
is not just a physical village, a group of people, a tribe,
Yeah.
a community, a cluster.
Absolutely.
That cluster becomes your Suraksha Kavach,
Yes. Yeah.
and you're no longer alone.
Yeah.
The greatest pandemic of loneliness. If you're curious, that's the way of the nature.
Yeah.
Curious minds seek
Yeah.
each other.
Yeah.
Curious minds stay connected to each other.
Yeah.
They show up for each other because you're not operating from fear OS, but from curiosity OS. You're curious. What does this person need? Curiosity OS is not self-centered or self-centric. Fear OS is, I need this, give me this. You're a bad person. You're not giving me this. Curiosity OS is, how can I show up for someone? What will make them happy?
Yeah.
Because I know I like to be showed up for. So I will also show up. It's service-oriented
Yeah.
Curiosity OS.
Would you also say abundance in that case, right? Not believing it's a zero-sum
There's
game,
enough
essentially,
and more
right?
for
Yeah.
everyone to go around.
Yeah.
For me to be successful, somebody else does not need to be unsuccessful.
Yeah.
If anything, the African saying of Ubuntu,
Yeah.
I only grow and progress when all of us grow and progress. I am because we are.
Yeah. It's a lovely.
So, my daughter and all of Gen Alpha, as they grow into a world which is extremely unpredictable,
Yeah.
because of AI. The world of work, nature of money, nature of society, politics, everything will
Yeah.
transform. She just has to over-index on that which makes her more human.
Yeah. Yeah.
And the most incredible thing that separates 99% DNA similar bonobo monkeys or orangutans from human beings is curiosity and the agency to act on your curiosity. A bonobo or a chimpanzee cannot, orangutan cannot simply get up today and start vibe coding an app. But
Yeah.
if you're curious,
Yeah.
you can do that now.
Yeah. Absolutely.
So that's
Yeah.
all I will tell her. And
Yeah.
that's all I'll share with anyone. Just
Yeah.
stay curious, be curious. I'm
Yeah.
pretty sure you'll quote Steve Jobs or someone,
No,
stay curious,
I'm not.
stay hungry,
No,
stay
no,
foolish.
I'm
or
not.
something. I love the
that's
number of quotes you made, the number of books, and you should make a note of all of that and go
Hackers and
read it.
Painters. Yes, that's a book I would, each time I meet somebody my age, I would give that book to them.
Nice.
So
Which
I
is why
should
I haven't
carry-
gotten it yet.
Yeah. Yeah, if you
I've
haven't read one,
overshot
I'll
the
get
limit.
you one.
I've overshot the limit. But Chandni, thank you so much. I know we just
Thank you so
like we met for a random coffee
Yes.
catch up on a Sunday morning, and she just jumped in at the idea of doing this. Classic Curiosity OS, which is amazing. I wish you nothing but the best. And
Thank
obviously, I'm going to be around to figure out if you manage to do 25 or 5 pull ups by the end of this year.
I will report back. I will
How can
report
people
back.
get in touch with you? Or follow
How?
you? Best medium?
I'm-
LinkedIn?
Yeah, Chandni Minda on LinkedIn, on Instagram, and on Twitter. Yeah. All
And
of
if you
these.
play pickleball around Andheri West,
Yes,
then definitely hit her up.
if you're in Bombay, I'm at the Versova beach. I play pickle in Lokhandwala, and I spend some time at the Versova Starbucks. And privacy is a myth, so I don't mind saying this on the internet. It's okay.
Be good, people. Be good.
Yes.
Be
Yes.
good.
Be good people. We should have an ending for this. How do you wanna be good people? Be good people?
BGP.
BGP.
Be good, people.
Thank
you.
Thank you.
I hope this is recording.
That
Oh my
is-
God, it's not. Yes, it is.
Of